Welcome to the channel. Today, we're diving deep into the 2025 Cadillac Escala, a luxurious, forward-thinking concept-turned-production vehicle that embodies the future of Cadillac. With its stunning design, next-gen technology, and refined performance, the Escala is here to redefine modern luxury sedans. Let's explore everything that makes this car a true masterpiece. Body panels. The 2025 Cadillac Escala features an aluminum-intensive body structure, blending strength and light-weight efficiency. The flowing lines and sculpted surfaces give it a dynamic yet elegant look, enhancing aerodynamics for improved efficiency and reduced wind noise. The frameless doors and hidden B-pillars add to its seamless, futuristic aesthetic, creating a bold and uninterrupted profile. Headlights. The slim OLED matrix headlights are a signature feature of the Escala, offering crystal-clear illumination with adaptive high-beam technology. These headlights automatically adjust to surrounding traffic conditions, ensuring maximum visibility without dazzling other drivers. The animated lighting sequence when locking and unlocking the car adds a theatrical touch, making every interaction feel special. Taillights. At the rear, the vertical OLED taillights are a nod to Cadillac's classic design language, but with a modern twist. These full-width lights create a striking visual signature, improving nighttime visibility and giving the Escala a commanding presence on the road. The dynamic turn signals flow smoothly, adding an extra layer of sophistication. Grille. The front black crystal grille is not just a design element, it's a functional masterpiece. Featuring an active air shutter system, it automatically opens and closes to optimize cooling and aerodynamics. The illuminated Cadillac emblem at the center reinforces the Escala's futuristic luxury appeal, making it stand out both day and night. Seats. Step inside, and you're welcomed by hand-stitched leather seats with an emphasis on both comfort and craftsmanship. The front seats feature massage, heating, and ventilation functions, while the rear executive lounge seats offer reclining capability, extended legroom, and ambient lighting for a first-class experience. Cadillac's zero-gravity seating technology further reduces pressure points, ensuring fatigue-free long drives. Dashboard. The dashboard is a seamless blend of technology and elegance, wrapped in premium wood, aluminum, and microfiber suede materials. A curved 38-inch OLED display spans across the dash, integrating the instrument cluster and infotainment system. The floating center console houses touch-sensitive controls, maintaining a clean and minimalistic design. Infotainment system. Cadillac's next-gen infotainment system is powered by Google built-in, featuring natural voice recognition, over-the-air updates, and AI-driven customization. The wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto allow seamless connectivity, while the AKG36 speaker immersive sound system transforms the cabin into a concert hall. Rear passengers also enjoy their own touchscreen displays with independent entertainment controls. Steering wheel. The flat-bottom, leather-wrapped steering wheel is designed for both luxury and functionality. Capacitive touch controls replace traditional buttons, offering a sleek, modern interface. The haptic feedback system ensures a more intuitive driving experience, while the integration of Super Cruise allows for hands-free driving on compatible highways. Engine. Under the hood, the 2025 Escala is powered by a 4.2-liter twin-turbo V8, delivering 550 horsepower and 640 pounds-feet of torque. The 10-speed automatic transmission ensures seamless gear shifts, while the active cylinder deactivation enhances fuel efficiency by shutting down unused cylinders when full power isn't needed. The Magnetic Ride Control 4.0 adapts to road conditions in real time, ensuring the smoothest possible ride. Hybrid option. For those looking for a greener alternative, Cadillac offers a plug-in hybrid variant of the Escala. This model pairs a twin-turbo V6 with an electric motor, producing a combined 450 horsepower and offering an estimated 60 miles of all-electric range. The regenerative braking system helps recharge the battery while driving, improving overall efficiency. Airbags. Safety is a top priority in the 2025 Escala, featuring a comprehensive 10-airbag system, including rear seat airbags and an industry-first front center airbag that minimizes collision impact between front occupants. Cadillac's smart deployment technology ensures that airbags inflate based on collision severity, providing optimal protection in every scenario. Parking assist. The Escala's 360-degree parking assist system uses high-resolution cameras and ultrasonic sensors to make parking effortless. The augmented reality parking display overlays real-time guidance on the infotainment screen, making tight spaces easier to navigate. With Remote Smart Park, you can even park the Escala using your smartphone, perfect for tight urban environments. Price. The 2025 Cadillac Escala starts at approximately $110,000, with fully loaded trims and optional packages pushing the price to $140,000. Given its ultra-luxurious features, cutting-edge technology, and refined performance, the Escala is poised to compete with the likes of Mercedes S-Class and BMW 7 Series, offering a uniquely American take on high-end luxury.